The key activities for our business include recipe development, where we need to create and refine the Popia recipe to ensure a delicious and unique flavor. Next, distribution and sales, where we need to determine the best distribution channels for our Popia, whether it is through our own physical store or online platform, or maybe utilizing food delivery services. And the last one is continuous improvement, which is continuously researching and innovating to stay up to date with industry trends, experimenting with new fillings or flavors, and finding ways to enhance our Popia products.
For the key partners, we will be buying our materials from Speedmart and Mini Market, Lotus, and Shopee.
To operate and deliver our products, our business relies on three key resources. First is the raw materials, which is ingredient and supplies required to make Popia. Then production facilities like kitchen space, cooking equipment, and maybe storage facilities needed for the preparation of Popia. And the last one is branding and marketing effort, like creating and promoting our Popia brand.
Type of intervention. Our intervention format is a product which is we sell Popia Nestem named Crunch Wrap. Next, channels. First, social media. We use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp to engage with customers, build brand awareness, and increase sales. This channel enables targeted marketing and direct communication with customers. Second, direct sales. We sell products directly to customers without intermediaries. This can be through a company-owned sales force or physical store.
As for the cost structure, we will be including the payment for employees, the cost of materials, which are the ingredients we are going to buy for our products, and distribution, where we deliver our products to our customers.
Okay, next, our revenue streams. Our revenue comes from four main sources. First, direct selling to our customers, wholesales to agents, postage fees, and also delivery fees. Direct selling to our customers is our primary source, as we offer high quality products and excellent customer service. We also offer wholesale prices to agents who purchase in bulk, which helps us to expand our reach and increase our revenue. In addition, we charge postage fees for shipping our products to customers and delivery fees for those who require same-day delivery. Overall, our revenue stream is diverse and sustainable, and we are confident that it will continue to grow as we expand our customer base and improve our products and services. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fatimah Alia binti Muzammil, matric number 1201717. Next, I will present the value proposition for our Popia Nestem business. First of all, we provide customers with affordable and reasonable prices for our Popia Nestem. Our Crunch Wrap Popia Nestem also offers a variety of unique flavors for customers to choose, such as Nestem, salted egg, chocolate, nacho cheese, and many more flavors. We only use high quality ingredients to prepare our Popia Nestem, and our packaging is also user-friendly. Next is customer relationship. First, we will offer a loyalty discounts for customers who purchase our products multiple times. We will also provide customers with promotional offers such as buy 3 free 1, where customers who purchase 3 jars of our Popia Nestem will get 1 free jar. Other than that, we will also interact with customers on social media frequently, and customers can leave reviews and feedbacks for our product improvement. For the customer segments, our main target customers are the people who enjoy sweet treats. Our target demographic also includes students and locals residing around the Lin Lai area.